To play our new song, Atacama Crossing, we just play the A string and the E strings with the motorcycle stop-stop rhythm. Each set is going to have 2 rests in between. Magic trick to play open strings, bow on A. When we play the lower strings like A, our bow elbow should raise just a little bit. Motorcycle ready, A. Rest, E, play. Rest, A, play. Rest, E, play. Quiet, A, ready, play. Rest, E, play. Rest, A, play. Rest, E, get louder. Rest, loud, A. Rest, E, play. Rest, A, play. Rest, E, play. Freeze. Hamburger hand, rest position.